everyone, it's your girl D Rainey, and we are back with another video. So if you don't know me and this is your first time ever making it to my channel, my name is D. I am a serial entrepreneur and the owner of Eris Beauty. Today's video is going to be in the shop, in the studio, because we're going to do a review, a product review. So I purchased this product, which is the WormHole rotary tattoo gun, and I want to see how it works on a set of brows. But obviously I'm not going to just try it on a new client. I'm going to practice it on some tattoo practice skin. So why don't you join me and let's go take a look, and I will give you my honest opinions on this product. Let's go.
Tell me what it's like to live with superpowers. I don't know, but I'ma get it.
Hey guys, so we are reviewing the WormHole tattoo kit today. I purchased this kit on Amazon, and it's a whole kit. So we're gonna just look into it today and see how it works for what we do in permanent makeup. I'm always looking at trying to find the best equipment in order to do the best job for optimal results for my guests. So that's really important. And it wasn't really expensive, and it ended up being a whole kit. So we're gonna go into here and see exactly what's in this kit. But it wasn't expensive. Let me look. When I purchased it on Amazon, it's less than $37 for the entire kit. I'm always looking to find or look at different tattoo machines, just to always enhance what I offer for my clients, just to look at different things in the industry, just to always find things that, could give me the best optimal results for my clients. I really want, and I pride myself on making sure that my clients have the best. And the only way they can have the best is if I invest in myself and in the business. And doing this allows me to do that. So today I'm going to go through and look and see what's all included in this WormHole tattoo kit and how you guys can benefit from this possibly. So we're going to see if it's a yay or nay. Let's see. So in this kit, now this is a wireless tattoo kit too, which is really important for me. I don't like a whole lot of wires. I don't want to have, wires around my clients as much as possible. I like all of my things, and for sanitation reasons, I don't like always having to, keep my cords, wrapped up as well. So having a wireless machine is huge, huge. So this is one of those machines, right? So, this is a tattoo wireless pen, and inside here is the machine, and it's purple. Get into that. That's cute, right? Somebody who don't really care about colors, whatever, but this one, if I can get it open, is purple, and I think that's really cute. So inside here is the machine. Okay. It has a little bit of weight to it. It's not really heavy. Some can be really, really weighty. But right off bat, what I can tell you is the fact that it's got a nice feel to it, nice hand feel. I have smaller hands. I'm only 5'2", so my hands are on the smaller side. So I like to have things that have, grip for my hands. And this feels good, even though when I get ready to wrap it, it's going to be a little bit weighty. I mean, a little bit thicker anyway, but I don't want it to start off that. And then when I turn around and wrap it, it's like awkwardly big, right? I need something that's going to conform to my hand. So that's really important to me. Inside of here, it also has, it has the ability to be a corded machine. So you have the power adapter here, which, the power adapter here. So that way you can plug it in as well. So if you have the, if that's something you want to do that. That's cool. Also in here in this box, you have the battery. So this battery has all the volts on it, and it goes from all the way up to 11 volts. You can see that. It goes all the way up to 11 volts. So that's cool. Test that out and see how that goes. And inside this kit, it has a couple other things. So you have some bandage. You have some tattoo inks, some gloves. some A&D ointment, some pigment cups, and maybe some tattoo skin. Oh, tattoo skin and a transfer paper. Oh, that's pretty dope. Tattoo transfer paper as well. So it is a full kit for less than $37. What else? And then of course we've got the instructional manual. Now it does say that the tattoo pen itself comes with a 12-month warranty. The battery pack also comes with a 12-month warranty, so that's good. And the cord comes with a 6-month warranty. So really cool. So you have that as well. Okay, so that's also included. All right, now let's get into the fun stuff, right? Yes. And put all this away. Now, although they have a tattoo skin here, I've used these skins before. I am not a fan of these skins. I just don't like the feel of them. They feel very plasticky. Like I don't really care for these. I actually have my own skin that I use, and it's it's a latex skin, and I like the feel of these. They just feel more realistic. In that it feels very plastic. So I'm gonna use my own. Okay, stuff up. I'm not gonna wrap up the machine in order to practice. I'm just gonna practice with a couple things. Oh, what I also did buy was some WormHole cartridges as well. So this is a 1RL cartridge. Yeah, so I bought these as well, so to go with the kit. These weren't that expensive either. Matter of fact, let me just look and see how much they were. So these were $19.99. Again, so if you're interested, I'm going to go ahead and drop all the stuff in the down below as well. We'll pop off one of these. Assembly is really easy. So you have the one side where your tattoo needles go, and then you have the other side where the battery pack goes. Now, it looks like the battery pack, let me see. It already comes with some charge, which that's something that I normally see, is that most things that you buy now online, they come with a little bit of charge. It's not like you have to charge it right away in order for it to work and see how it's going to work. It comes with a little bit of life, but that's enough life for us to test. So let's go ahead and test. I've got some pigment here. This is pigment by Tina Davies, and my tattoo situation. I'm going to just set up here, and I'm going to start practicing. Okay, so let's go. So in review, I would give this on a scale of 1 to 10. Um, Definitely like in 8.5. I would say 8.5 easily. It's sleek in design. It's very easy to work with. Um, the weight of the battery pack on the top, it makes it very easy for the pendulum swing when doing PMU brows for the pixels. The ease of it is just very easy to use. Like I said, it's very sleek, and so it makes it very easy to hold it, to grip it. And I'm excited to see what it's going to be like when I do feather brows and trying that out with a couple of different other cartridges. I like this. I definitely like this. I think for the value, I think for everything that you get with it, it does say that it has a 6 to 8 hour battery life. So that's quite a bit for one tattoo session. So that's good. I'm really interested to see how this will work in practical application during the day. But again, look, guys, for the money, $37, less than $37 on Amazon for a whole kit. Okay, it's a whole kit. It comes with all the things that we talked about, and and it's wireless. Like that in itself, that speaks volumes. That speaks volumes. This kit is, I really think, for the money, for what you get, it's a great value. And for somebody who's starting out in the PMU industry, somebody who's like me, who's been in the PMU industry, who likes to try out different machines, this is a machine that I would honestly say get your hands on. It's a good one. Um, yeah. So all in all, I would like to say this is a thumbs up. This one gets a thumbs up for sure. Go buy it. Try it. If you're interested in it, I will place the link in the description. Check it out for yourself. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you have any comments, if you have any questions, comments, let me know. And if you've made it this far into the video, I mean, at this point, go ahead and subscribe. That way you can be connected and hit that bell notification so you can know when we post up another video. And if you've made it this far, go ahead and type wormhole in the comments so I know you watched. All right, guys, on to the next video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me. This was fun. I'm definitely going to get some more and try it out and let you guys know my opinions on them. All right, talk to you later. You guys have a great one. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
You got me shaking, yeah.